Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Twitch. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in twitch.tv and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Twitch website, from which you will need to log into your account by clicking on the sign in button at the top right corner if you haven't logged in already. Now after logging in, you will be taken into your homepage, and from this homepage, if you wish to create your own stream and start going live, then you will need to tap on your account icon at the top right corner. From there, click on Creator Dashboard and you will be taken into the Creator Dashboard page. From here, just click on Download Twitch Studio and this will download the installer for the Twitch Studio application. Just open up the installer once it is downloaded and you can simply click on the next buttons to scroll through the installer. Once the Twitch Studio has been installed, you will be asked to log into your account, and after logging in, you will see this welcome screen. You can click on Get Started to start your setup. After choosing your microphone settings, you can click on the Continue to Scenes button. Then tap on Continue to Settings, and then this will run a test to show you what is the best quality that you can set based on your hardware and your internet connection. You can adjust the settings manually by clicking on Adjust Settings, and from here you can set a preset for a quick fix, or you can also change your resolutions and bitrate manually. Then you can simply click on Continue to App and this will now begin your live stream. Now in order to start your stream, you can click on the Start Stream button, and you can also modify some settings by clicking on the up arrow key at the right side of Start Stream. And from there you can also choose to record your video as you stream it. At the right side you will find your activity feed and the chat page from which you can chat with your viewers. You can also click on the Settings tab in order to make various changes onto your chat settings. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to go live on your Twitch channel. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.